In today's video, I'm going to show you how to boost your Snap score in Snapchat. You can do this completely free, and this is a quick and easy method. Let's dive into the video. Open the Snapchat app. First, you need to log out on your main account. To do that, follow my steps like this. In this methods, we are going to send from other accounts. To do that, we are going to create a lot of accounts. Showing how to get tons of emails to do things like this. Watch that video to get unlimited emails for free. Here, give whatever name and whatever birthday. Click on Continue. Now set password. Here, give the email. Skip in here. Then set up your profile. Then log out again. Here you can see your account. Now log into one account and send friend request to other account. Search account name here. Add as a friend. Now click on arrow and go to director mode. Here you need to get some snaps like this. Now you need to send these snaps to your main account. Now log out and log into main account. Accept the friend request. In this way, you can send 8 snaps from one account. You can create lots of accounts and send 8 snaps from each account. Subscribe.